All right, so we're going to test again. We're literally just creating a circuit in here. Battery is right there, and we are able to see that the plate moves. This is open. It clicks in. We now have locked. And then you release, and it is open again. And tires spin in different directions. Activate it again. Catches. Bam, there she is. She's locked. And all we're literally all we're doing is closing the circuit. Now we got power. Let go, open the circuit, and there it is. She's free. When you let go, they spread apart. The switch is not. There they click. They're locked in. There they let go.